Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody can hear me and see me well. If you can, give me a thumbs up in the chat quickly guys, all of you. Yes. Hi Jashwant, welcome man. Hi Bhumina Darshan. Are you all able to hear me and see me well? So shall we begin? Yup. So guys, today's class, as all of you might be already knowing, we'll be looking at the application of derivatives, and in that I will be solving some questions today. Hi Bhumina Darshan, welcome man. Hi Rishi, so nice to see you man, welcome. Yup, Bhumina Darshan, that's absolutely right. Hi Jumana, welcome guys. Are you all excited for this problem solving session? All my ninjas out there. Yes. Hi Uncharted, welcome. And I'm sure you guys saw the session schedule for the week. Did you guys notice the session schedule for the week? The entire week schedule is out. So mark your calendars, be there in all the sessions. Let your friends know that we are doing PNC this week. Permutation and combination. One of the most interesting topics, very logical and helpful to solve probability as well. So we are doing that full scale. We have 3 lectures of PNC. I'm sure it is going to benefit all the 11th standard as well as the 12th standard people. I will start from fundamental principle of counting and I will take you all the way up to the most tricky parts of PNC, circular permutations. We will also look at beggar and coin method. All those cool stuff are awaiting, but you guys have to be there. Come with your friends and let's have a great time. Hi Mohammed, welcome man. So nice to see you here. Jashwant, Uncharted, Saurav, Renu. So shall we begin guys with the problem solving on application of derivatives. Application of derivatives has one of the highest weightage in JEE Mains. So you guys have to be ready for it. You need to know the concept. You need to know how to apply it. That is exactly what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to show you JEE Mains like questions and we are going to solve it together. So that at the end of today's class, this concept will become laddu and easy for you. Though that is the objective, let's see if we can do that. Okay? So let's begin. Before we get started, for those who are coming to this channel for the first time, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach maths at Vedantu. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like KVPY, JEE Mains, and I cleared all of them. When I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. And if you guys want to be close to me, if you want to know me better and ask your doubts in a very easy way, then this is the place you have to catch me. That is Instagram. So that's my Instagram ID. You guys can follow me. I will help you out with all your queries. Okay? Shall we begin? Yup. And guys, the schedule for the next week is out. This is amazing. This is so cool because like I said, we will be looking at PNC, PNC and PNC. We have 3 parts, 3 lectures covering all the topics. Okay. And then we will go to integration. So like I promised, we have 3 classes for 11th standard and 3 classes for 12th standard. Got it guys? And slowly we will come up with one short series also. So how many of you are excited for one short series? In one class, we will do one full chapter. Doesn't matter whether it takes 2 hours, whether it takes 3 hours, but we will complete one single chapter in just one class. That would be the best way to revise in one day. If you can devote that much time to my channel over here, then you will be done with it for your JEE Mains. That is the coolest part. And if it works well, we will come up with physics one short series. We'll come up with chemistry one short series so that you guys can make the best use of it. Okay? So I will let you know before we start it, but you guys have to do a lot of help to us. And what is the help? You guys must know the drill. What is it? What is the most important thing for this channel? You guys know what to do. So please do spread the word. Let your friends know. And we will have a great time in the one shot series because one shot is the best thing in YouTube, because guys, that will cover one entire topic in just 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so make sure you guys are following this channel closely and we will let you know the updates. Exactly, Mohammed, that is very, very important, man. That is what drives us teachers. And like I said, we will be responsible for your outcome. Normally in YouTube, you don't see that. In YouTube, it is very difficult to take responsibility of all students. But that, I guarantee you, I will take the responsibility for your performance in JEE Main. Definitely, we will try our best to give you with all the resources, to give you all the necessary inputs so that you can perform your level best. At the exam day, you have to be at the fullest potential. After the exam, you should say, we did our best. That's it. That if you guys are able to do, that will be awesome. Okay. So this is the schedule, guys. I would recommend even the 12th standard students to attend PNC session, because PNC is one of the most interesting topics and I have a lot to discuss there. So please don't forget it. Tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow we have the mentee session also. The mentee session will be on calculus part 1. So differentiation I'm going to do. Okay. So this is the mentee session. As you guys can see, tomorrow differential calculus, physics and chemistry, you guys will be given the title soon. Got it? So for maths, I've already mentioned it. Tomorrow 11 a.m. differential calculus, very fun session. I want everybody to be a part of it. Okay. So guys, did you all like, share and subscribe any video of this channel? Any particular thing that impressed you a lot? I spoke about the Life at IIT video, books for IIT JEE preparation, and I also spoke about what to do in the last 3 months. All those videos, make sure you guys watch it, learn it, apply it in your last 3 months so that you get the best outcome. Okay, perfect. Okay, Mohammed. No worries, Mohammed, but definitely watch the recording and let me know how you performed. Okay, like you did the last time. So guys, here is the first question for you. The JEE Main type question. So here we go. Please solve it, everybody. I want everybody to participate and let me know what you think is the right answer for this question. Hi Sugdha, welcome. So nice to see you here. So guys, here what do we have to find? We have to find the equation of tangent, and the curve is given to us, the point at which it crosses the y-axis. So how do you find the point at which it crosses the y-axis? You guys have to think about it. Okay. Banu is saying apply log. Is it essential? Think about it, Banu. Hi Ryan, welcome man. Very good afternoon. Great to have all of you here. So how do we do this question? Think about it. So yesterday I taught you guys how to find equation of tangent. So tangent, as you all know, is a straight line. And whenever you want to find the equation of a straight line, you need two conditions. What are they? You need to either have 2 points or you need to have slope and a point. So here they asked to find the equation of tangent at the point where the curve crosses the y-axis. So when the curve is crossing the y-axis, what is the x-coordinate? At the y-axis, the x-coordinate is supposed to be 0. At the y-axis, the x-coordinate is supposed to be 0. Did you all notice that? So that is how you find out the point. So how do I figure out the point? I will put x as 0. So I will get y is equal to 4e to the power minus 0, which will be 4. So the point is 0, 4. So I got the point through which I am drawing the tangent. But what else do I need? I need to find the equation, na? So to find the equation, I need to know the slope as well. Because 1 point alone is not enough to find the equation of straight line. Please remember that. That is coming from our lower class. Even when you are in 6th standard, you should know this. When you want to draw a straight line, you have to keep 2 dots. On a scale, when you are drawing straight line, even when you are in 5th standard or 4th standard or 6th standard, what do? You keep 2 points and then you will take your scale and you will keep it over there and you will draw the line, isn't it? So that is why whenever you want to draw a straight line, you need to have 2 conditions. Okay, so one condition is this, the next one is slope. So how do I get the slope of tangent? That is where this chapter comes into play. That is where application of derivatives come into play. Because it says that the slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at that point. At that point. So what is dy by dx? Now I have to differentiate. If I differentiate, what will I get? 4 into e to the power minus x by 4 into minus 1 by 4 because of chain rule. Because of chain rule. So you need to know derivatives and you need to apply it. That is why AOD is such a brilliant topic which everybody loves. You can get brilliant questions from that. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled and I have to find at the point P which is 0, 4. So x is 0. If I put x as 0, I will get minus 1. So the slope of tangent is minus 1. So how do you find the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the answer is x plus y is equal to 4. That will be the answer for this question, which is nothing but your option D. Are you all clear with it? Very good Deepanshu, very good Mohammed, very good Solar. Brilliant job guys. Amazing. Everybody clear with it guys? Simple stuff. Whenever a tangent equation is asked, understand tangent is a straight line. You need to have two conditions. How do you get those two conditions? One point is given and you need one slope. How do you get the slope? By using AOD, which says that the slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at that point for that curve. Clear guys? The concept is fine. So make sure after this class, you guys try to solve previous year's JEE mains questions. That is how you get excited. Okay, that is how you guys should be excited for learning. After the class today, once you are done with Wasim Sir's class, Shrey Sir's class, at the night, if you have time, just go back and see previous year's questions. Am I able to solve previous year's questions after listening to Shimon Sir's class? Is it happening or is it not happening? If it is not happening, then why is it not happening? Is it because of lack of practice? You need to answer all those questions because all of you guys are smart. You know what to do. Only thing is you need some push and you need some accountability. So I am going to be that person for you. I want to know whether you guys attempt the previous year's questions. So tomorrow during the mentee quiz, I'm going to ask you that. Did you all do the homework? That is my question for you tomorrow. So make sure you do it tonight. Okay? Definitely. So Mohammed, that means you are not practicing enough questions. So I would recommend you to take Cengage if you are not a Vedantu student. If you are a Vedantu student, then I would recommend you to solve Tattva. Because Tattva, guys, I've told you time and again, it is one of the best resources prepared by the founders of Vedantu, Anand Sir himself. So if you want to be better at math, physics and chemistry up to the JEE advanced level, then Tattva is for you. Okay? Tomorrow, Jashwant, tomorrow at 4 o'clock. So if you are not able to solve previous year's questions, even after knowing the content, you have the answer. You don't need me to tell that. You don't need me to tell that. What is the answer? The answer is lack of practice. That's it. Okay? Crash course, you will get Tattva. Absolutely, Matthew. So go for it. So guys, with that, let me move ahead to the next question. Very easy Laddu question. Please do it. So, Mohammed, these questions are all very good for you. So practice it. Because it is very similar to what I did earlier. It is very, very similar. Before I asked you tangent, now I am asking you normal. Before I gave you the curve in a normal form, but now I am giving you a curve in the parametric form. So look at the twist. The concept remains the same, but the methodology is going to change because the equation is given in a different manner. Okay? So that is how these sessions, these sprint sessions will help you cover the entire syllabus. Okay? Perfect. Bhanushri, complex numbers is already done. Please check it before. Hi Ankit. Ankit has already answered. Let me check it, Ankit. Is that correct? I doubt it, Ankit. Please check it. That's not right. Saurabh, we can differentiate both x and y. Absolutely, Saurabh. Saurabh, did you get the previous answer? The previous answer, if you're getting slope as 4, that means you didn't apply chain rule. That means you didn't apply chain rule in the previous question, Saurav. Okay. Hi, Navami Vijayan. After a long time, I'm seeing you. Welcome. So nice to see you back. Uncharted says B. Yes, you guys are all smart. Because B is right, guys. B is absolutely right. Okay. So why is B correct? Now, why did Ankit go wrong? Or why did Tawuz Islam go for option C? Now you have to listen. You have to figure out what mistake you did. Is it because of your speed? Did you go fast and make a mistake? All those points you have to identify and clear it. Okay? So let's go for it. First of all, when t equal to 1, what is your x? X is equal to 1 square and y is equal to what? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then if x is 1 and y is 2 and at this point you're drawing normal, come on guys, come on, think about it. This 1, 2 should satisfy the equation. This 1, 2 should satisfy the equation. By that itself, this is wrong, this is wrong. Simple. I didn't do anything here. I just read the question and I eliminated 2 options. I just read the question and I eliminated 2 options. So it's either going to be B or it's going to be D. Isn't that right? Are you guys able to solve it? Now, is it going to be D? D also is wrong because 1 plus 2 minus 1 is not 0. So the options were very badly designed. The options were very badly designed. So you could have directly gone for option B. Isn't that right? Are you guys able to understand? So I want you guys to develop this also. Normally teachers don't teach this because it's not very fair. Okay. So it is like exactly preparing for one exam. Okay. So this is called as the elimination method or substitution method. Okay. Which usually students develop on their own by solving a lot of exams. Isn't that right? Hi Ankit, no problem Ankit. I hope you have got it now. Okay. Now how to solve it in the correct manner? The correct manner, I have got the point, so I need the slope to find the equation. So how do you find out the slope? Okay Ankit, no problem. How do you find out the slope? Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent. And what is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is dy by dx at the point. What is the point? 1, 2. So what is dy by dx? First I have to find dy by dt, which will be 2, and I will find dx by dt. That is how you differentiate in parametric form. 2t, isn't it? Now what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 2 by 2t, which will be 1 by t. Did you all understand that? That is the way to differentiate in parametric form. First you find dy by dt, next you find dx by dt, and then divide both of them. That will be your dy by dx. And where do we want to find? We want to find at t equal to 1. So if t is equal to 1, then this is equal to 1. That means this one is equal to 1. That means the slope of normal is minus 1. So I got the slope of normal, I got the points. So what is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the answer is x plus y is equal to 3 and you are done. You get 4 marks. Are you all clear with it, guys? Did you all understand the way I solved it? Hi Maruti Neta, brilliant. Very good Tawus, brilliant guys. Thank you so much Sangeeta, that means a lot. Nice to see you also here. So guys, shall we move forward? Everybody? Brilliant, brilliant Ankit. Congrats, that's awesome. So guys, if you are all able to understand it and if you are enjoying the classes at JEE Enthuse channel, then definitely I want you to check out the Vedantu Pro subscription, because in Vedantu we do this on a daily basis. We amaze students, we get them hooked to studies, because that is all a result of the amazing teachers we have at Vedantu. We have teachers with more than 20 years of experience, and we have teachers with 5+ years of teaching, toppers. We have teachers who can teach in Hindi as well as English. We have crash course as well as micro courses. In case you guys are interested, I would highly recommend you to check out the courses meant for you. This is for 21 batch, and you also have courses for droppers, and all of them will be given to you at a discount of 20% because you are all ninjas. And when I say ninjas, you're all part of the JEE Enthuse family, so you will get a 20% off. Okay, so you can use this coupon code and get the set discount, and you can join it. Can you explain the procedure of crash course? The crash course, I would say, Matthew, you have to click on the link which I share, use the coupon code SJCC. You will get the cost price to be reduced to 8,000. Okay, and what is the brilliant part of crash course? Let me explain it. Now that Matthew has asked, I want to tell you guys about it. So crash course, Matthew, will start every week because Vedantu is not a local institute. It's a national level institute, and it's a tech company basically. So we train students for exams like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, and this crash course will cater to students all over India. So every week we have batches. So every batch will have almost like 100-200 students, and they will be taught either in Hindi or in English. You have to choose that. So if Matthew likes Hindi, then go for Hindi. If Matthew likes English, then go for English. If Matthew likes, no sir, I don't like Hindi also, I don't like English also, I like a mixture of both, then you have English batches. HINGLISH. So you have English also, so you can go for those batches. So all those benefits you have, Matthew. Okay. And the second thing which I want to talk about is the test series. You have 10 part test and 10 full test, and they are going to be all India level. So every student in Vedantu will write this exam, and you will be given your rank, how much time you took to solve one question, how much time the topper took to solve one question, and the solution of each and every question will be given. So that will help you to improve, because the way Vedantu has been producing toppers is by conducting top quality tests along with test analysis. So all our students are advised to do test analysis. Test analysis will reveal your weakness. It will tell you, Matthew, you are weak in this topic, you are weak in this topic, you focus here. So that over a period of time will make you get better. Okay. Yes, Renu, it will not be given as a hard copy, because hard copy is only for full-time students in Vedantu in the subscription. So if you take the 1 year or 2 year subscription, you will get the all amazing Tattva material. You will get it hard copy. It will be couriered to your address, but only if you join the pro subscription. That is using this. But if you get the crash course, we will help you until your JEE Mains. And don't think Vedantu will delete the videos. Vedantu is not like that at all. If you have heard that, that is absolutely wrong. The videos will be accessible until you complete your preparation. Okay, so it will be available in your dashboard. You can access it any point of time, and that is a guarantee from me. You can take it. Okay, so with that, let's come to our question. We solved this. I have attached the solutions. For those who are wondering how I solved it, I have attached the solution by step-by-step method of arriving at the answer. Okay, so let us proceed now. The next question, and as you guys can see, this is an AIEEE question. The reason I am not taking JEE Mains questions of the recent year is because I want you to prepare, man. You have to solve the recent year, because guys, think about it. NTA Abhyas has 80, 90, 100 papers, but the problem is the level of difficulty is varying. The initial papers are very easy and the later papers are very difficult. So you don't have a correct scale of what to expect on the exam. So my suggestion is use the JEE Mains papers of 2015 to 2020. These 5 years papers are very important. These 5 years papers are very important. So that is why I don't want to discuss those questions right now, Because then you will know all the answers before itself. Then what's the point of taking the test? If you take the test also, it won't be accurate. You will think you scored very high, but actually your performance may not be that high. Got it? I hope you got the point. It's a very important point which I address right now. Okay, think about it. Think about it. So what is the answer? We have Ankit Kumar saying pi by 6. Ankit is amazing. He's in 11th standard, but still he's able to try it and he's able to get one of the options. Very good, Ankit. But is that correct? I will come to that in a short while. Mohammed says pi by 2. And Renu Shri also says pi by 2. Solar Pharma also says pi by 2. And guys, that is right. Pi by 2 is the correct answer. But don't worry, Ankit, I am glad that you tried it. But how do we do it in the right manner? So Ankit, angle between tangents means you have to find the slopes. So there are two tangents, M1 and M2. So M1 and M2 are the slopes. And what is the angle between two lines? The angle between two lines is given by this formula, which you will study in your 11th standard under the topic straight lines. Under the topic of straight lines. So this is the formula. But to get the angle, I need to know what is M1 and M2. But how do I get M1 and M2? Let's come to that. So that is where your AOD comes into picture. Because I know differentiation, and to find slope, I need to do something with differentiation. That is where your AOD jumps in. So it says that the slope of tangent is nothing but the derivative of whatever you have. So dy by dx is my slope. And what is that equal to? 2x minus 5. So this is the slope at any arbitrary point. At any point. But do I want at any point? No. I want at x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So m1 is x equal to 2. So I will have 2 into 2 minus 5, which is minus 1. m2 is x equal to 3. So it will be 2 into 3 minus 5, which is 1. So m1 is 1 and m2 is 1. Okay. So what is the product? The product is minus 1. Whenever the product is minus 1, we know that they are perpendicular. So that is why option D is correct. Very good, Mickey Paul. Mickey Paul is absolutely right. Great to have you, Mickey. Welcome. Ankit has got it. Very good, Ankit. Brilliant. M1 is minus 1. That's what I wrote. When I said it something else, but I wrote it correctly, Saurav. Okay. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody? So shall we proceed, people? Shall we proceed? All of you. Brilliant, guys. Amazing, amazing. So let's go forward to the next question. And like I said, every question I have attached the answers completely. And if you guys want to get the session PDF, you have to be a part of the Telegram group. The Telegram group, we make all the announcements regarding the classes, regarding the new videos, regarding the timetable, so that you guys are always close to us and we can be a great team together, being accountable to each other. Got it? So let's move forward. Yes, Solar Pharma. Tomorrow Menti quiz you can attend. Because tomorrow's Menti session, I will take some good questions on functions. So please try to be a part of it. So this is the next question for you. Again, equation of tangent. Now people are getting frustrated. Sir, how many questions will you ask on tangent only, sir? Can you please change it? But guys, I have mixed two concepts here. So listen carefully. I want you to find the tangent at which point? At the point of its maxima. So first you need to find where it becomes maxima, and then you have to do this question. So it is a good question. It is a good question. Okay. So think about it and then do it. Absolutely. Yes, Mohammed, you're absolutely right. Ankit is in 11th standard. Can I attempt the Menti quiz? Yes, Ankit, you can definitely come. The Menti quiz is at 11 a.m. tomorrow. 11 a.m. tomorrow. But it will contain chapters like continuity, differentiability and AOD. You will be able to solve functions and limits. But continuity, differentiability and AOD are 12th standard topics. But however, you can still come and have fun in the Menti session. Okay? Perfect. So guys, are you all ready? Did you guys figure out how to find out maxima. So how do you find out maxima minima? So to find out maxima minima, you have to equate your dy by dx to 0, because you have to first figure out what are your critical points, because critical points are the contenders for extremum positions. Critical points are the contenders for maxima or minima. So how do you find critical points? Tawus Islam is absolutely right. We have to differentiate and equate it to 0. Very good, Mickey Paul. That's awesome, man. So many 11th standard rock stars are here. So guys, if I differentiate, what will I get? I have to use product rule. So first function into derivative of second. What is derivative of second? It will be into -2. I hope you guys got it. Plus second function into derivative of first, which will be into 2. And that is equal to 0. So now what will I do? I will take e to the power 2 into 1 minus x common. What will be left out? Into 2 also I can take common. So I'll have minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So this can never be 0, because exponential functions are always positive. Very good, Tawus. That's absolutely right. Guys, so if I reduce this, what will I have? I'll have 2 e to the power 2 into 1 minus x into 1 minus x is equal to 0. And here I have a factor of 2. So I can take one more 2 outside. Did you all understand that? Did you all get it till that step? From here to here, did you guys understand? So that I can remove this. Yes? All of you got it? Very good, Sukda. That's awesome. Thank you for responding. Now I want to find out the critical points. Critical points are those values of x for which my dy by dx is 0. Got it? So here, first of all, this can never be 0. You guys have to understand that. Exponential functions can never be equal to 0. Got it? So here, this can only be equal to 0. So if 1 minus x is 0, that means x is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is a critical point, and since it's the only critical point I have, it is going to be the maxima, because that is what they're asking. Okay? So now I want to find the tangent at x equal to 1. So first of all, let's figure out what is y when x equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 into e to the power 2 into 1 minus 1. So y is equal to 1. So when x is 1, y is also 1. And what is the slope of tangent? The slope of tangent is 0. The slope of tangent is 0. Do you guys agree? Why is it 0? Because we are finding at the maxima, and I know at maxima dy by dx is is 0. So slope is 0, and these are the points. So the answer is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the answer is laddu y equal to 1. That's it. Over. Can you see how easy it was? That's it. Did you guys like that? Everybody clear with it, guys? Hi Ajo Saran, welcome man. Very good Mohammed, very good Nawami. I'm so happy that all my ninjas are able to follow it. You guys are awesome. Exactly. If anybody has a doubt, feel free to ask. I will be more than happy to clear it for you. Okay? So let us proceed. I have attached the solutions as always. Now coming to another point. See how beautifully we are covering all topics. Now I am coming to orthogonality. I am coming to orthogonality. Very important topic, and we are going to master it through this example. Okay? So what do you mean by orthogonal? Let me briefly explain it. I have already explained it in the previous videos, but since some of you are new here, I am going to explain it to you. See, if you have two lines, they are orthogonal if they are perpendicular. Very simple. Everybody can visualize it. If you have two straight lines, they are going to be orthogonal if they are perpendicular, because orthogonal means what? Orthogonal means perpendicular. That's it. That is the meaning of it. But now you have two curves. You have two curves. Sir, what are you saying, sir? You have two curves. You have one curve like this, sir, and you have another curve like this. Now how can I say that these two curves are orthogonal? What does it even mean? It means, listen very carefully, at the point of intersection, if I draw two tangents, one for the first curve and one for the second curve, if these two tangents are perpendicular, then it is said to be orthogonal. Brilliant, no? So what is orthogonality with respect to curves? First, find out the point of intersection. Second, at the point of intersection, find the slopes for the curves. At the point of intersection, find the slopes for both the curves. Now if their product is -1, they are orthogonal. That's it. Okay? Did you guys get that? So I'm going to follow the exact same procedure. So let's try to do it together. Shall we do it together? Are you all ready? Can you guys follow me step by step? So what is the first step? First step is to find the point of intersection. So to find the point of intersection, I will equate both. Now this is x square, this is x square. So can I equate this and this? So I will get 9a into 9 minus y is equal to a times y plus 1. So if I solve it, what will I get? I will get 81a minus 9ay is equal to ay plus a. So I will get 80a is equal to 10ay. So I will get y is equal to 8. So did you all understand that? Y equal to 8 is the point of intersection. Y equal to 8 is the point of intersection. Are you guys able to understand that? Yes or no? Everybody got it? Brilliant, guys, brilliant. Now I want to find my x. So x square is equal to 9a into what will we have? 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So x square is equal to 9a. So this is my x, this is my y at the point of intersection. Got it, guys? Everybody got it? So now I will write that separately. So my x square is 9a and my y is 8. So this is my point of intersection. Now I will find the slope. What is the slope of this? 2x is equal to, we'll have 81a, differentiation of that is 0. This will be minus 9a dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 2x by minus 9a for the first curve. Everybody able to understand? For the first curve, this is the slope. For the first curve. Now for the second curve, 2x is equal to a dy by dx. So can I say for the second curve, the slope is equal to 2x by a. Now we know that if they are orthogonal, product of these two should be equal to -1. The product of these two should be equal to -1. Only then they are going to be orthogonal. So -1 will cancel off. So you'll get 4x square equal to 9a square. Now what is x square? X square is equal to 9a. So you'll have 4 into 9a is equal to 9a square. So 9 cancel. A 0 is not there. So let's cancel 0. Let's cancel a and a because a cannot be 0. So what is my a? My a is equal to 4. And do I have a 4 in the answer? Did you guys like it? Everybody? Amazing question, na? All of you are excited. Did you guys love the question? Ajo Saran, I do take classes in the paid sessions, man. But I take for the toppers batch. So I take for the 11th and 12th toppers batch. And most probably next year I will take a lot of batches. So you guys can wait for it. But if you are in 12th standard, definitely you have to go for the crash course at Vedantu. And Matthew, like I said, the teachers are brilliant. We have teachers like Arvind Kalia sir. And we have teachers like Amit sir. We have teachers like Surendra sir. All of them have a brilliant track record. And you guys will benefit from their experience. Okay. Akhil Reddy, we do have class for 11th tomorrow. So tomorrow I will do PNC, permutation and combination. Okay. This question was amazing, right? Matthew, I will explain it again, Matthew. Please follow the step. This was amazing. So first what I did was, Matthew, I found out the point of intersection. That is the first step. Okay, first step is point of intersection. What is the second step? Second step is find the slope of both the curves. So I took this first curve and I differentiated it. And then I got it. This is the slope of the first curve. Then I took the second curve and I differentiated it. I got the second curve. So I got two slopes, and at the point of intersection, their product should be -1. So if I multiply these two, their product should be -1. Only then it is orthogonal. It is given in the question that they are orthogonal. So M1, M2 should be equal to -1. So I did that. M1, M2 equal to -1. And I got this. But what is this x, Matthew? I don't know this, na? This x is the x coordinate of the point of intersection. And what is the point of intersection? Over here, we found it. So use that, get the answer. Okay? Yes, Jashwant, please tell me. Exactly, Mohammed. Yesterday was Arvind Kalia sir's birthday. Absolutely yes. Gurunathan, absolutely yes, man. Definitely, Jashwant. Guys, tomorrow PNC will be elaborate. It is a 3-lecture session. It is 3 lectures. Okay, so you guys have to be a part of it tomorrow. Mohammed, definitely I will explain in detail. Akhil Reddy, Jashwant, because PNC is a very, very good topic and it is very logical. So I want you guys to understand it and then you will become masters of that. Okay, but please be there at the session. I want everybody to be there at 4 o'clock. Mark your calendars, let people know, and then we will do a great deal of questions. Okay, brilliant. Exactly, Solar. We will start from the basics, which is your fundamental principle of counting, and I will take you all the way up to circular permutations. Okay, everything will be done. So you have to be there at 4 p.m. tomorrow. PNC is not a sprint session, guys. PNC is not a sprint session. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. we are going to do full chapter in detail. Can this question come under differential equations? Nope, it will be under AOD only. Okay, it will be under AOD only. Tomorrow 4 o'clock, Akhil Reddy. Okay, so let us move forward. This was a very nice question, and again one more good question. This is amazing. I like this question. Let me see how many of you can crack it. And look at this, guys. This is a JEE Mains question. AIEEE, I told you already, it is the JEE Mains before 2013. So JEE Mains was a name which was kept on 2013. Before 2013, it is called as AIEEE, All India Engineering Entrance Exam. Okay. Is it one shot? Arundhati, it will be 3 full sessions, each for 1.5 hours or 1 hour. Okay, it will be tomorrow, day after and the day after. So it will be Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I will complete it in 3 classes. One shot series, I will start it by this weekend, Arundhati. Okay, so if you are excited for one shot, please do wait till the weekend, because I am planning to take a marathon session for one single chapter. You guys can comment down what chapters you want to do in the one shot series. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Where is my jacket? I'm in Chennai, man. Chennai is not cold, so I don't need a jacket here. Wasim sir is in Kashmir, and Kashmir the temperature goes to minus, and that is why he badly needs a jacket. Okay. Will Arvind sir teach in English? Absolutely. Arvind Kalia sir does teach in English and he does teach in Hindi as well. So you have to choose your batch, Shreya. So if you choose crash course, if you are comfortable in English, choose English, and he does teach in English. I can assure you of it. Okay. Yes, Akhil Reddy. Tomorrow is explanation only. So complex numbers. Omkar is saying differentiation. Definitely, Ajo. Ajo, it is a lot of hard work. You have to understand that. But like I said, I will be responsible for you guys. That is a guarantee for me. That is an assurance that I'm giving you. Okay. So I will definitely take the responsibility. I'll make sure that you guys are given enough content to make sure you do well in JEE Mains. And slowly, if possible, we will take it to JEE Advanced level also. Okay. Perfect. So shall we get started? Okay, let's do it. What is the answer? Any comments? Any comments? Okay, give us assignment like thing after the sessions. Okay, Uncharted, I've taken that as a note. Definitely, we will include that. Whenever we do a complete session, we will do that. Okay. Shakti Shriram says 7. Omkar says 5. Very good, Diya. Diya is absolutely right because guys, the answer is A. It is 1. So first of all, this is an odd degree polynomial. So guys, do you all agree when x tends to infinity, this will tend to infinity, the curve? This will tend to infinity. And when x tends to minus infinity, it will be minus infinity. Do you guys understand that? Because when I put x as infinity, this term will dominate. And when I put x as minus infinity, this term will dominate. That is why it is called as leading coefficient. That is why it is called as leading term. Are you guys clear with that? Everybody? Did you understand what I did? So if I put x is equal to minus infinity, it will start from here at minus infinity. If I put x is equal to infinity, it will go up to infinity. So now we are concerned about what is happening in between. In between, what will happen? Will it have 5 roots? Will it have 3 roots? So for that, I need to understand the behavior. The behavior of function is given by AOD. That is why AOD is such a brilliant chapter. AOD tells you how the function behaves. So let's try to differentiate. So if I differentiate, what will I get? I will get 7x power 6 plus 70x power 4 plus 48x square plus 30. Now guys, watch, listen. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. So can I say it's always positive? So what did I get? I get f dash of x is positive. What does f dash of x positive mean? What does f dash of x positive mean? F dash of x positive means it's an increasing function. So from minus infinity to plus infinity, it is going to be increasing always. So that means it will cut only at one point. Laddu. Laddu. Did you guys like that? Exactly, solar forma. It will be a one-to-one function. Absolutely. Brilliant, na? Such a good concept. And it was asked in JEE Mains. It was asked in JEE Mains. Can you see that? Yes, Akhil Reddy, we will do that. Okay? It is a conceptual question. Exactly, Ajo. Ajo, I hope you got it. Now guys, shall we move forward? Everybody understood why I took minus infinity and why I took plus infinity? Because whenever you have an odd degree polynomial, at plus infinity it will tend to infinity and at minus infinity it will tend to minus infinity. So we just have to find out what happens in between. What happens in between? So how do I do that? That is where our AOD comes into picture. Our AOD tells the behavior in between. So when I found out the derivative, I saw that all powers of x are even. When you have even powers of x, it is always positive. So this is going to be greater than 0. So whenever f dash of x is greater than 0, it means it's an increasing function. It means it's an increasing function. Got it? If it is not even, then it's a tough question, Ajo, because you have to analyze what happens. So this question is designed for this, Ajo. It is designed for this. So that is why it was pretty simple. I hope you guys liked it. So with that, let us move forward to the next question that I have for you. right over here. This is super simple. Let me see how many of you guys are able to do it. Come on guys, quickly. Everybody should try it out. This is from rate measure. So this is another topic under AOD. So try to interpret. See, I'll help you guys. I will not solve it completely, but I'll tell you how I will read the question. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.1. What does that mean? That means dr by dt is equal to increasing. So plus rate is 0.1. This is how you write it. Next, when the radius is 5, when r equal to 5, the rate of change of its area is what they want. Did you guys understand it? So this is how you write the information given in the question. You read, interpret it right. You read, you interpret it right. That is how we do it. Okay? Very good guys. All of you are right because option D is correct. Okay. So what is A? A for a circle is pi r square. So what is dA by dt? dA by dt is differentiating this. So it will be 2 pi r dr by dt. Everybody clear? 2 pi r dr by dt. Now dr by dt is 0.1. So this is 0.1. And when do they want to find? We want to find rate of change of area when radius is 5. So this r is 5. So that will be how much? 10 pi into 0.1, which will be pi. So answer is pi, which is option D. Everybody clear? Simple. So this is how they ask rate measure questions. If you guys have got it, I'm going to move forward. Okay? Everybody clear with it, guys? So shall we move forward? Exactly, Jashwant. Absolutely. So let us proceed to the next question. Now this is a brilliant one. This is a very, very good question. I want everybody to listen carefully and try it out. This is not so simple. You have to think. Okay? Please do it, guys. Everybody. From where do you pick these questions? So these are previous years, some of them Ajo. And the other ones are all from Vedantu's material, Vedantu's Tattva, and a few from Cengage as well. Okay? So if you guys are interested, please check out the Tattva material offered by Vedantu in the pro subscription or in the crash course. So when will you take the Leibniz theorem? So Leibniz theorem is not for JEE mains. It will be for advanced and it will be covered under the chapter limits. Okay? So I will do that for advanced level, maybe solar pharma. For mains, it is not required. Alpha is a constant. You'll have to find what is alpha. Alpha is the parameter which has to be found out. Okay? Matthew saying vectors and 3D. Okay, Matthew. Definitely. I will try to bring some one-shot series where we can cover all these chapters slowly and effectively. Okay? Why for odd degree? Because VSG is asking a very good question. So VSG, if you have a polynomial like this, let's say x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. And now at infinity, what will dominate VSG? Dominating term is this one, right? Do you agree? So can I forget about all this? Can I forget about all that? Because this is going to be the dominating term at infinity. Exactly. So at plus infinity, it will be infinity to the power 3. And at minus infinity, it will be minus infinity to the power 3. So this will be negative to the infinity and this will be positive to infinity. So that is why it always goes from minus infinity to plus infinity. What happens if you have even power? If you have even power, then both will tend to plus infinity. So that is why you see even polynomials will always be like this, or they will be like this. They will always go to plus infinity on both the sides. Did you understand that? Isn't that a brilliant observation? Isn't that a brilliant observation? Did you get that, VSG? Yep. Okay, cool. So I hope you guys got that. When you have even powers, both your left and right side extreme will tend to plus infinity. So that is the difference which I wanted to explain. Okay. So now coming back to this question. First of all, what is Rolle's theorem? What are the conditions? I taught you this yesterday. So I expect you guys to remember it. Okay. So let's look at it. The first condition is your function should be continuous. And the second condition is function should be differentiable. And the third condition is your f of a should be equal to f of b if the function is defined in closed interval a to b. Okay. So here it is 0 and 1. So this is my a and this is my b. So is my f of 0 equal to f of 1? Can you guys check that? Can you guys check that whether f of 0 and f of 1 are equal? Absolutely right, because if I put 1, this is 0. If I put 0, this is 0. So both are 0. It is true. So this condition is satisfied. And naturally these two will be also satisfied. So let's differentiate it. If I differentiate it, what will I get? Product rule I have to apply. How do I apply product rule here? It is going to be first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. That is equal to the derivative. So what is the derivative? I can say it is x to the power alpha minus 1 into 1 plus alpha ln x. So this is the derivative. And for Rolle's theorem to be valid, don't you guys agree this f dash of x should be equal to 0 at one point between 0 to 1? For Rolle's theorem to be valid, what does Rolle's theorem say? Your f dash of c should be 0 between a to b, where c lies between a to b. So that means this f dash of x should have a root in between 0 to 1. So let's do that. Let's do that. It's a very, very interesting question. Please listen carefully. So let's say f dash of c is equal to 0. That means c to the power alpha minus 1 into 1 plus alpha ln c is equal to 0. Now guys, can this be 0? Never. I told you exponential functions can never be 0. So what has to be 0? 1 plus alpha ln c has to be 0 provided c belongs to 0 to 1. So if c belongs to 0 to 1, don't you guys agree that this will be negative? Don't you guys agree that this will be negative? Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear with it? Now if alpha is also negative, then will this be possible equal to 0? Never. So alpha has to be positive. So that is why A is correct. Otherwise get alpha. What is alpha? Minus 1 is equal to alpha ln c. So alpha is equal to minus 1 by ln c. So ln c is negative. So minus 1 by ln c will be positive. So that is why option C is correct. Did you guys understand that? Brilliant, no? Very conceptual question. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any doubt, anything that you want me to discuss in detail, let me know. I will summarize it once more. How is ln c negative? Because c lies between 0 to 1. So ln function is like this, na? Ajo, this is the log function. This is 0. This is 1. So ln c lies somewhere here. So that will be negative only, na? Did you get that? This is log function, man. This is how the log function looks like, ln of x. So between 0 to 1, you see it is negative. Got it? So that is why ln of c is negative. So negative of negative will make it positive. Got it? For 1 it is not defined, absolutely, because c will be an internal point, VSG. C will be in between 0 to 1. C will be in between 0 to 1 VSG, so no problem. Are you guys clear? Yes? Thank you, Ajo. Brilliant, man. It will be done with the help of interval. Yes, yes. Saurav. So Saurav, I just get my alpha to be positive and none of the other three options are positive. So it has to be option A. Are you all clear with it, guys? Are you all clear with it? Every Monday we have starting November. Every Monday we have crash course batches starting. So don't worry about it. Any Monday you can join, Matthew. Even today we have a batch starting. Jashwant, I will talk about it in detail as we progress. Not right now. Right now let's focus on mains. Will doubt sessions be conducted? Diya, if every guy is ready in this channel for a doubt session, we can have it. If everybody needs one doubt session, maybe on a specific topic, I can probably take it up. Right now, we will do the chapters one by one. So like I am doing PNC tomorrow, I will do one shot for your 12th standard people. And one day we'll have a very informal session. There's no agenda. We will just come. I will take your doubts one by one. We can talk about life. We can talk about maths. We can talk about anything. Okay. So Jonins are always ready. Okay, great. Yes, Navami, that's brilliant. So shall we move forward? Everybody understood it? VSG, did you get it? It was a nice question, na? Very unique, right? It is not like your conventional question. That is what I liked it and that is why I brought it for you guys. I hope you're all able to understand the concept behind and I hope you guys are able to apply it. So let's move forward with that, guys. So let us proceed to the next one. I want you guys to find out for what values of x the function is increasing. So what is meant by increasing function? Increasing function means your f dash of x should be positive. So what is your f dash of x? 3x square minus 12x minus 36. This should be positive. So take 3 common. It will be x square minus 4x minus 12 is positive. So can I say this will be x minus 6 into x plus 2 is positive. Sir, where is the 3, sir? 3 I throw it away. Why? Because it's positive. Doesn't matter. You can take it to the right hand side. Now apply your wavy curve. Now everybody knows wavy curve because I took a session on it. If you guys have missed it, go watch it. Go watch it right after the sessions today. Okay? Because wavy curve is super important. Super important. Okay? So how do you draw this? Draw the number line, mark the roots. And then what do? Start from the rightmost corner. Go in a zigzag way. Plus, minus, plus. What do we want? We want greater than 0. So what is the interval? Minus infinity to minus 2. 6 to infinity. So B is the answer. Laddu. Laddu. How did you factorize so fast? Murli, practice, man. So I got 12. How does 12 come? Minus 12 is coming from? It comes from minus 3 into 4. It comes from minus 4 into 6. Here I see the difference is 2. So I know, minus 2 into 6. Okay. So here I see that difference is 4. The difference 4 only I want. So I correctly brought that inside. Correctly I brought that inside. Understood? So that is how I factorize fast. I hope you got it. Or if you're not able to do it that fast, go by the quadratic formula. Whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, Murli? Brilliant, brilliant. So guys, if you are all clear with it, let's move forward to the next question, which is over here. These are all one of my favorite questions and you guys will be super amazed with the way I'm going to teach you. Because I will tell you 2 ways of doing this. Okay, this is one of my favorite questions. Listen very carefully. So the first way to do this question, the Laddu way, which everybody does. No thinking involved, just solving. The robotic way of doing it. So I will get y in terms of x, put it over there. Now what will I get? I will get 8x square minus x cube. So this is my function. Now I will maximize it. How do I maximize it? Find the critical points. Differentiate it. So f dash of x is equal to what? 16x minus 3x square is equal to 0. So x is equal to 16 by 3 or 0. These are the critical points. Obviously it is not 0. So it is going to be 16 by 3. Put it there. Get the answer. Done. Easy question. Everybody will say, sir, very easy, sir. It is doable. Did you guys understand that? Very good, Solar Pharma. Solar Pharma is absolutely right. That is what I am coming to. Very good, VSG. Very good, Matthew. You guys are all absolutely right. So first, did you guys understand this method? Because this is the formal way of doing it. This is the formal way of doing it. This is how you do it when you do not know how to apply AMGM inequality. Very simple. I got y in terms of x because this is two variables. We don't know how to solve two variables. That you will study in college. I am not going to teach you two variable calculus. We know only single variable calculus. So I will get y in terms of x, put it there, get f of x, then find the maximum. Okay. Now, how do I do it by AMGM? So, can I write this as x by 2 plus x by 2 plus y equal to 8? Are you guys okay with that? Are you guys okay with that? Everybody. So, can I say x by 2 plus x by 2 plus y by 3 AM arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to, what will I get? What will I get the product to be? X by 2 into x by 2 into y whole to the power 1 by 3. That is your GM. That is your geometric mean. AM is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Isn't that amazing? Now this is 8. So 8 by 3 is greater than or equal to x square by y by 4 whole to the power 1 by 3, which can be brought here. So the answer is 8 cube, which is 512 by 27 is greater than or equal to x square y by 4. So x square y is always less than or equal to 512 into 4 is 2048 by 27, which is your done. Did you guys like that? So this is another way of doing it. But guys, you have to be slightly careful here because AMGM is applicable only if x and y are positive. Okay, so here they are positive, so it works. Exactly. Did you guys enjoy it? So this is what I call as the weighted AMGM inequality. Weighted arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality. Okay. Everybody clear with it, guys? Brilliant. I am so happy that you guys are following it. Two amazing methods, two cool ways. One using AMGM and one using differentiation. Okay. Perfect. So that's about it, I guess. Okay, we have one more. This also can be solved by AMGM. So now here people will be thinking, sir, here how can I apply AMGM, sir? Guys, you have to think. Every question is different. I'm not going to spoon feed you with laddu questions. Okay, no fooling around. I'm going to teach you different applications. So here, the best part here is manipulation. Manipulation. What manipulation? I have this, but if I apply AMGM, I can't do anything. If I do it directly like this, what is the product? The product you will get is x square by 1 plus x square. Is the product very nice? Is the product very nice? No, I can't do anything here. So this is not the right way. But if I just add 1 and subtract 1, now is the product very nice? Now is the product very nice? Yes, now the product is very good. And both of them are positive. So I can apply AMGM inequality. I can apply AMGM inequality. So how do I apply it? X square plus 1 by x square by 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Why 1? Because the product of these two is 1. So if I take it to the other side, the minimum value is 2 and outside I have minus 1. So the minimum value is 1. But they want to know what is the minimum value and when does it occur? At what x? Is it 0 or 1? So when does the minimum value occur? When both of them are equal to 1. So that means x square plus 1 is equal to 1. That means x square is got it? Yes, Gayatri, it is a live class. Hi, Sai Nandan, very good. You guys are all absolutely right. Uncharted, brilliant, brilliant guys. Misha Bharti, Satyam, tomorrow 4 o'clock we will do we will do permutation and combination in detail. We will do PNC in detail, okay? Yes, yes, uncharted. We can substitute also. That's absolutely right. Ajo, I would say revise the concept. In maths, you have to spend very little time for theory because maths is more of problem solving. Okay. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the session today. Thank you guys. So with that, we will conclude our session. I think we are done with every question that I brought for you today. Amazing session. I loved it. So if you guys are excited about maths, excited about Vedantu's plans for you, then definitely check out the crash course because we have complete test series, complete syllabus covered in 120 sessions taken by the best teachers of India in Hindi as well as English. So if you want to be a part of this revolution, if you want to be a part of this great story, then definitely check it out. You will be benefited, guys. Okay. So here we go. This is the crash course coupon, SJCC. The link will be given to you in the description. Click on it, get it, and we will meet in the class. Okay. Okay, perfect. So guys, if you enjoyed it, definitely check out the Telegram channel. You can be a part of this Telegram channel. We make all the announcements over here, and we also have the announcements, schedule, the plans discussed over there. So if you enjoyed it, do give us a like, do share it to your friends because this is a new channel and we would definitely need your help, guys. Okay. We would appreciate your help by spreading the word to many people. Bring them here and we will grow together as a family. Add more ninjas to the channel. Are you all ready? Are you guys excited? Yes, will you do it? Okay, Suhas, definitely I'll be there, man. I'll try to come to the crash course. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And we will meet again tomorrow at 11 a.m. and also at 4 p.m. Okay? Bye-bye, guys. See you. All the very best. Do well in life. Take care. Bye-bye.